streets. Back home, hello everyone. Let's turn some lights. Nice. By the way, I just wanted to say thank you to all these amazing people who just subscribed to my channel. I've seen a few dropping by and subscribing after the YouTube partner program changes have been announced. I've been making a few videos here and there, and yeah, so thanks. And if you're not subscribed, of course, you know what to do. Today I want to tell you, just to show you a quick tip, how to find your purchased tab in the iOS 11 App Store. As you may know, in iOS 11 App Store, design have been changed drastically or whatever. People have lost their purchase tab. If you delete your app but you bought it for $1 or something, you want to download it again for free but you don't remember the name, you've got to go to your purchase tab. I've been in this problem like a few days ago. I've been trying to find it in the App Store, so let me just turn on what you want to do is just to press on this little icon of yourself, of your profile picture, and boom, here's your purchase tab. Magic. I haven't slept tonight, so I'm in this mood where I, you know, when you have when you're lacking sleep and your mind just starts going here and there, go. I just keep talking. So maybe to be a successful vlogger or YouTube or a YouTuber, I just have to stop sleeping and just turn on the camera. Actually, I came home just to have lunch, so let's skip the part when I chew. Just go outside. Let's go outside. Just a quick trip to a grocery shop. So, hey, by the way, comment if you like this kind of format of my videos or vlogs. I'm not sure entirely what this is right now. Is it a tutorial? Is it a tips and tricks video? Or is it a vlog? Well, ultimately it's like a mix of all of them. So yeah.